Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll show you how to transfer footage from your DJI drone's SD card to your iPhone. Let's get straight into it. When it comes to DJI drones, the process can vary depending on the model you're using. Some newer DJI drones have wireless transfer capabilities, meaning you can move your footage directly to your iPhone without needing an SD card. But for most models, you'll still be relying on an SD card to store your recorded footage. If you want to move that footage over to your iPhone using the SD card, here's how you can do it. First, make sure you have the right adapter for your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone with a Lightning port, you'll need a Lightning to SD card reader. If you're on an iPhone 15 or newer, which has a USB-C port, you'll need a USB-C to SD card reader instead. Next, remove the SD card from your DJI device and insert it into the card reader. Then, connect the reader to your iPhone through the appropriate port, either Lightning or USB-C. Once it's connected, open the Files app on your iPhone. In the Files app, navigate to the Locations section, and you should see your SD card listed there. Tap on the SD card to access its contents. From here, you can browse the files and select the footage you want to transfer. To move the files to your iPhone, simply copy or move them to your internal storage. This will store the footage directly on your iPhone, so you can view, edit, or share it whenever you like. Finally, once the transfer is complete, make sure to safely eject the SD card by disconnecting the reader from your iPhone. This ensures everything is properly saved and prevents any data loss or corruption. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tips on using your devices. See you later.